5 Effective Home Remedies for Cough and Cold. 1. Ginger Tulsi Mixture. Extract the ginger juice and add crushed tulsi leaves to it and add honey. Consume it to get relief from a cough. 2. Flax seeds for cold and cough. Flax seeds are another effective remedy to cure common cold and cough. You can boil flax seeds until it thickens and strain it. Add a few drops of lime juice and honey to it and consume the mixture for cold and cough relief. 3. Ginger and salt. Cut ginger into small pieces and add salt to it. Chew these ginger pieces to fight cold, cough and a sore throat. 4. Sauté garlic. Sauté a few garlic cloves in ghee and consume this when warm. This can be a bitter concoction but has a great soothing impact for common cold and cough. 5. Jaggery solution. Boil water with black pepper, cumin and jaggery to it. Consume this solution when warm and it will give you relief from chest congestion.